In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the radiator upper support on your Dodge Ram. It's located right here underneath your hood. Spin the hood leveler here counterclockwise, unthread it. We use our pry tool and go ahead and gently work this up and out. There's just little retainer tabs on each side that hold that in. Go ahead and repeat for the passenger side. We're going to use 10mm socket to loosen and remove the hood latch. Remove these two bolts here. These are both 10mm. $13mm socket, remove these two. Repeat for the driver's side. Grab that bracket, set it aside. Go ahead and line up your bracket. Install the 4 bolts to hold the cross member in place. Install these 2 bolts here. Let's go ahead and snug those down. Install your hood latch bolts. Tighten these bolts down. I'm going to go ahead and snug these down here. And what I'm going to do is I'm lining up our washer marks with the original marks on the plate. Install the base for your hood adjusters here. I'm going to thread these in. Go ahead and install the one on the passenger side. And once these are in, you want to go ahead and close the hood. You're going to adjust these up and down to go ahead and make sure that the hood is leveled on both sides.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.